Wow, that is the high voltage spike it's producing right now. This is the power of the relay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you an interesting DIY generator circuit called the high power electromagnetic generator. This simple device uses a 12 volts big coil relay to generate a high voltage spike from the collapsing magnetic field of the coil. This spike can be used to charge another battery with a low power consumption. This idea is also similar to the battery charging method used embedding a motor generator where back EMF energy is recovered instead of wasted. This 120 amp relay can switch massive power instantly. So what happens when we pulse energy through this coil? When current flows through a coil, it creates a magnetic field. When the relay switches off, that field collapses and produces a high voltage spike. This is called back EMF. That effect is part of electromagnetic induction, and today we are going to test it. So viewers, here is the relay pulse generator circuit. Here is the diagram, and here is the relay coils. Here are the settings for the connections. 85, 86, 87A and 30 are the pins we need. We don't need 87 for this circuit. So once the system switches on and then switch off, the back EMF goes through the coil, goes through the diode and charge this battery. Here is the drive battery. So the system draw only 25 to 30 milliamps from the drive battery. So this new bulb protects the circuit from any damage. So, and these are the parts needed. First of all, we need a 12 volts battery. This battery is only trigger the system to produce excess voltage. Here is the new bulb. Connect it here. This protects the circuit. Here is a diode. Diode has to be here. Here is a massive relay with a big coil. This produces high voltage spike. I got this from eBay for this purpose. Lastly, here we have 25 watts lead bulb for a testing. So I'm going to connect everything together, and then first of all I'll test the output with a multimeter, then test it with a bulb and see how it works. Okay, we are back. So everything is connected according to the diagram. So I've connected the 25 watts lead bulb to the circuit, to the relay. So let me put it on. Wow, you see that? It's working perfectly. So the only dark side here is the buzzing noise. So this is the high voltage spike, as the back EMF is what is lighting up this LED bulb right now. If you notice, I did not connect a multimeter to it. I find out that the current is not stable. It's going off on, and that kind of high voltage spike is not normal for a multimeter to read. So that's why I did not connect a multimeter to it. So this kind of high voltage spike is only good for a second battery. So that is why I will be adding a second battery to it, as according to the diagram. So right now I'm going to disconnect this battery. I'm going to disconnect this LED bulb and connect the second battery here. So now look at the new bulb, it's lighting up. That is a protection for the circuit. So this go off, the current is now going into this battery. The high voltage spike is going into this battery right now, while the system only draw 25 to 30 milliamps from the dry battery and produces excess high voltage spike to this 12 volts battery. So after building and testing this relay pulse generator, here's what we have learned. These circuits successfully create a off-on switching effect, producing electrical pulse that can be observed through an LD small load. Is a simple and effective way to understand how relay-based switching works. However, it's important to note that this setup does not produce continuous or stable power. The output is pulse, not steady, which means it's limited to what it can actually power. This project is best seen as an experiment, a way to explore pulse circuits, switching behavior, and basic electronics concepts, with further improvement like adding coils, capacitor, or better control components. The performance can be enhanced and probably made more practical. If you enjoy this build, stay tuned, because in the next video we will upgrade this system to push it even more further.